This is Burgundy Studios live session. This song is called Outside. Hope y'all like it.
KingDave on the beat, yo.
KingDave talk to her.
Late night, early in the morning, yeah, conversation. She texts me with emojis. She said I'm a stranger, danger. I've been missing in action. I'm just trying to get active, yeah. Sex in the city, yeah. I always keep that thing on me just in case, yeah. 95 on the dashboard, all gas, no brakes, switching lanes, smoking gas straight to the face, yeah. I put my hands on her body. I can tell that she want me. I don't trust nobody, oh honey. I put my hands on her body. I can tell that she want me. I roll up that sticky, let's get it. And yeah, we outside, pretty girl with brown eyes. She takes shots, mouth wide. She wanna get in my ride. She wanna get so high. She wanna feel so good all the time. Good sex, one X, small circles, big checks. Yeah.
LovahBoyJoel on this. Giving you music when you want it. We just left the bank, we just cashed out. I just give her a couple of dollars. But we been pushing cause the tank getting empty. If you got a better girl, I know you smell this cologne. Got you hooked up like it's some good dough. And I be smoking it right in you, know the vibes, yeah. And now I got my hands on 90 in the 60, I got no break. Just come and tell me where you wanna go. And now I got my hands on 90 in the 60, I got no breaks. Just come and tell me where you wanna go. Hey, yeah, we outside. You pretty girls with brown eyes. She takes shots, my wine. She wanna get in my ride. She wanna get so high. She wanna feel so good all the time. Small circle, big checks. She wanna feel good all the time. Yeah, you know how that goes. Like if she was high, just to be in the right state of mind. Yeah, just to be in the right state of mind.